quick video. I just want to show you, kind of walk through, help you out on this virtual lab here. So here's the write-up. You see, you just click this link. It'll take you to the website. I'll show you. Brief description here of different elements, kind of how they're divided up, some of their properties. Please glance through that. And then here's kind of the steps you'll go through. So you've got this paper, little data table where you're going to record things. I'd encourage you to maybe make that on your paper. And then there's a few questions at the end there that you'll answer as well. There is a table built into the lab where you could type things in as well. It's not super convenient, but you could do that as well. Okay, let me show you the website, what it looks like. So when you come here, this is the lab that you'll see. There's 8 test tubes down below. Each of those contains a mystery element. It's one of these 8 elements. And so you don't know which one is which. These are just showing us. So they have the name and then some basic properties. And based on those, you're going to figure out which element is which. So it does encourage you, watch this short video. I'm not going to click on that right now, but just watch that short video. But then I'll walk you through what you do. So click on a test tube and just drag it up to density. It pours it in and it comes up and says this has medium density, medium density. So on your table for element number 1 you would record, now don't do this, yours is going to be different, this is just an example, but you would put medium for density. Now here's that data table. If you just click down here where you could actually go type it in right here and just keep a running list as well. I just write it down myself. But so if we look up here at the elements that have medium density, there's antimony, barium, or tellurium. And so it's one of those 3. Let's go on to the next test. So just drag it over to flame color. Ooh, nice bright green there you can see. So it produces a green flame. So which ones that are medium are green? Well, antimony is green, barium's yellow-green, and tellurium is also green. So I'm guessing it's either tellurium or antimony at this point, but we need to keep going. We're going to do all 4 tests. So go over to melting point, pours it in, and it tells us it has a medium melting point. So antimony's medium, tellurium is also medium, so we don't know what it is yet, so the boiling point's going to decide. So one last test. And it tells us it has a high boiling point. So far you've recorded these hopefully. It had a medium density, gave a green flame, had a medium melting point, and it has a high boiling point, and so that is going to be antimony, right? So I'm going to click antimony now.
Congratulations! You have correctly identified the mystery element.
And it will tell you if you are correct or not. Now if you click a different element,
calcium is not the mystery element. Try running more tests to determine additional properties of the mystery element.
So it'll tell you that you're wrong, okay? So anyway, and then you just go on. We're done with that one. So I'll just drag it back, and then you go on and you do number 2. So you're going to do that for each of these 8 test tubes, each of these 8 mystery elements, and decide what they are. Okay, I hope that helps. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Reach out to me, email me, give me a call.